CaityB back in the building with yet another video. And sorry I look trash right now. I just finished washing my face and I'm gonna get ready, you know, get on with the day. Yeah, pretty much. So today I have planned to go to Centrelink, do some makeup stuff, and then head to the city to see my longtime friend, best friend's sister. You know what I'm saying? I haven't seen her like since last year when I went to New Zealand. We hung out, but you know, that's a long periodically time, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's Monday today. I'm so excited. I just want to go see her, spoil her, talk about everything that's been happening throughout the past year, maybe talk about the past and laugh about it as we always do. But the weather today is so crappy. Look at that. Ain't nobody gonna be warm. It just finished raining outside, you know what I'm saying? So right now she's staying like an hour's drive away, which I was hoping her cousin stayed nearby, but it's okay, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna meet halfway at the city train station and then go from there. So yeah, watch me get ready, guys. My face is drying off, I better moisturize it. Y'all, I'm back, y'all. I'm back. It's just like a sleeve top, granddad shirts, and finally loose pants. Every time I try and get loose pants, they always tied around the thighs and stuff. So I got size 16, a bit big around the waist, but you know, that's what belts are for, you know what I'm saying? So let's start doing this makeup, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm all ready. Yeah, it's my first time going out of the box with a style and stuff, so I'm pretty happy with them. Just like my pimple is killing me. Like, but yeah, so I'm gonna go pack some stuff and then let's go to the city. Hey guys, so I'm just at the train station right now. Oh, yeah, I'm just at the train station right now. I just missed the damn train to the city. So yeah. I'm freaking puffed out. I just finished my chat time. I'm like content. I forgot to record it. I just assessed it before I got to the train station. So puffed out. I already got sweat marks and everything. There you go. So, oh my god. Alright. I'll just head inside. Just walked up a flight of stairs. And I managed to get to this retro place. Hey guys, so I'm just at Flinders waiting for my girl to get here, y'all. Damn, I'm so excited. It's like after 1, almost 1:30. Yeah, just waiting. I don't know which station she's like, which platform she's gonna come out of, so I'm just standing outside looking to see where she's coming out of. Now you come all the way down here. I feel like calling fucking for stressing out. He's here! Oh my god! So what do you want to do now? Hey guys, so we're just in that thrift store. I was in 2 seconds ago. Let's check out some stuff. Oh, hold up. Is that G? Oh! Do it one more time. Oh, God, look. Oh! Oh! Hit the wall! Yeah, guys. Sometimes I get sketching and stuff. I feel like they like haunted stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. You guys want to watch us eat, or because you guys can answer it? Yeah. Let me show you. Put it again.
Oh, the angle.
That was not a nice clip, no, that's a really bad angle.
What about?
Yeah. Yeah. And we'll just like. Huh? My hair's so retro, bro. It looks so good, bro. We already did our local, guys.
Yeah. Let's see, we got.
I'm just talking to myself at the moment. Chicken and avocado? Oh, yeah. Hey. Not bad, eh?
Yeah, that's just.
Cute. Bon appetit. Are we using the keep momentum? Best soy sauce to you. What?
That has the spark.
The avocado? Oh yeah, I love the shrimp one though. I just got all chicken, I'm so used to it. I like how they use these as lights.
Guy just bumped his head.
Are you on a video or something? Oh.
Yeah, what video? Oh, you didn't take a video?
Oh, sorry. We'll take a picture of you then. So, guys, I'm ready. Look this way. 1, 2.
Come on,